Hey everybody, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Farnaz, and as always, I've got my super energetic friend Iman with me.
Yo, what's up, friends? Hope you're having an awesome day.
Today, we're chatting about something we all want to nail, staying healthy. But don't worry, we're keeping it real and simple. No fancy diets or crazy gym plans. Just easy, everyday tips to feel great.
Yup. If you want to have more energy, feel happier, and just rock your day, stick with us till the end. Oh, and grab a pen or your phone to jot down some of these tips. They're super doable, and you're gonna love them. Let's dive in.
All right, Iman, let's kick things off. Why do you think so many people skip taking care of their health? Like, they know it's important, but they just don't do it.
Oh, great question. I think people make it too big in their heads. Like, they think being healthy means spending hours at the gym or eating only boring stuff. But it's really about small, easy changes.
So true. Let's start with the easiest thing ever, drinking water. I mean, I'm guilty of forgetting this all the time. Laughs anyone else?
My hand's up too. I used to barely drink water, but now I keep a bottle with me everywhere. It's such a game changer. Water keeps you awake, makes your skin look better, and even helps you focus.
Yeah, it's like the simplest trick in the book. One thing I do is keep a cute water bottle on my desk. It makes me want to drink more. Or you can set a reminder on your phone to take a sip every hour.
Love that. Okay, listeners, here's a quick challenge. After this podcast, grab a glass or bottle, fill it with water, and keep it nearby. Let's make drinking water a habit.
Next up, moving your body. You don't need to be a fitness star or run a marathon. Just move a little every day.
Totally. Like a 10-minute walk after lunch or dinner is awesome. It helps your body digest food, boosts your mood, and clears your head. I do this a lot, and it's like hitting a reset button.
Or dancing. Just put on a fun song and dance in your room. I do this all the time, and it's such a mood lifter.
I can totally see you dancing like nobody's watching. But for real, find something you like: walking, dancing, stretching, whatever. Just move a bit, and it makes a big difference.
And if you're super busy, no stress. Take the stairs instead of the elevator or do some stretches while watching TV. Those little moments add up.
Yup, small steps, big wins. Oh, and here's another tip. Try walking while you're on a phone call. It's an easy way to sneak in some movement.
All right, friends, we're about halfway through and we've got tons more tips coming. Here's something fun to do right now. Pause the podcast for a sec, stand up and shake it out. Do a quick stretch, a few jumps, or even a little dance move. Get that energy flowing. Then come back, we've got more for you.
Okay, let's talk about food. Healthy eating doesn't mean you have to eat boring stuff or follow some strict diet. Farnaz, what's an easy food tip you love?
Super simple. Add more colors to your plate. Like toss in some tomatoes, carrots, or a banana. Colorful foods are packed with good stuff for your body, and they make your plate look fun.
Nice. I started adding some berries to my breakfast, like in yogurt or a smoothie, and it's so tasty. Plus, I feel like I'm doing something good for myself.
Exactly. You don't need to change your whole diet. Just swap one thing, like drinking water instead of soda or eating nuts instead of chips. Start small, and it feels easy.
Yeah. And don't beat yourself up if you eat something like pizza or fries. It's all about balance. Enjoy your treat, then maybe have a salad or some fruit the next day.
Oh, and meal prep is another easy trick. Like chop up some veggies on the weekend so they're ready to grab during the week. It saves time and makes healthy eating way easier.
Smart. I also keep some healthy snacks like apples or almonds in my bag. That way, when I'm hungry, I don't reach for junk food.
Now, let's talk about feeling good in your head. Mental health is just as important. One thing I do is take 5 minutes to just breathe. Like slow, deep breaths. It's crazy how much it calms you down.
Oh, I'm all about that. I also like writing down what's on my mind. Just a few sentences about my day or how I'm feeling. It helps me clear my head. You don't need a fancy journal. Any paper works.
Love that. Another thing is gratitude. I try to think of 1 or 2 things I'm thankful for every day, like a good cup of coffee or a sunny day. It really lifts your mood.
Nice one. And let's not forget sleep. Getting enough sleep is like a superpower. It makes you happier, sharper, and ready to tackle the day.
So true. I try to stick to a bedtime routine, like no phone or screens an hour before bed. It's tough, but it helps me fall asleep faster.
Yeah, and even just dimming the lights in your room at night can help. It tells your brain it's time to chill.
One more thing we haven't talked about: connecting with people. Like calling a friend or hanging out with family. It's not just good for your heart, it's good for your health too.
For sure, even a quick chat with a friend can make you feel so much better. Or if you're feeling adventurous, join a group like a walking club or a hobby class. It's a fun way to stay healthy and meet people.
Love that idea. It's all about finding what makes you happy and sticking with it. All right, we've covered a bunch of stuff. Drinking water, moving your body, eating colorful foods, chilling out, sleeping better, and connecting with people. These are all super easy things that add up to a healthier, happier you.
And the best part? You can start today. Pick one thing like drinking more water, going for a walk, or calling a friend and give it a try this week. Small changes make a big difference.
And here's something fun to do. Share your favorite tip with us. Drop it in the comments on our social media or send us a message. We can't wait to hear what you're trying out.
Yeah, and if you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who could use a little health boost. Oh, and don't forget to follow our podcast for more episodes like this. Later, friends.
Thanks for hanging out with us, everyone. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll catch you in the next episode.